Scanner. A scanner is an input device that scans any document such as photographs and pages of text. Scanners are used to import a picture or document into the computer for sending or printing. Scanner works by placing the object to be scanned on the glass surface. While scanning, a camera moves across the object, capturing the image and storing it on the computer. When a document is scanned, it is converted into a digital format. Scanners have become an important part of the office over the last few years, where files can be sent over the internet at a faster speed. The various types of scanners are Flatbed Scanner, Sheet-Fed Scanner or Auto Feeder, Handheld Scanner, Drum Scanner. Flatbed Scanner. A flatbed scanner is a type of scanner or copier that uses a flat glass surface for scanning documents or other objects. Sheet-fed scanner or auto feeder. A sheet-fed scanner is a type of scanner that scans only one piece of paper at a time, and it has no room for bulky objects like books and other materials. Handheld Scanner. A handheld scanner is a small scanning device used for digitizing images. Handheld scanners use the same basic technology as a flatbed scanner but rely on the user to move them instead of a motorized belt. Drum Scanner. A drum scanner is a type of scanner used to capture the highest resolution of an image.